Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix LinkedIn messages not sending. To fix that, first of all, if you are using iOS, you should go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to apps. After that, look for LinkedIn. And here, as you can see, when with that wireless data option, you should be sure that it's the option selected is WLAN and cellular data, because if you choose WLAN only, the app will work only if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you choose off, that means the app will not or can't use the internet from your phone, and in that case the app will not work properly. So you should choose WLAN and cellular data. And after that, if still the app still not working and you can't send messages, you should go after that to general, and after that iPhone storage, and here look for LinkedIn. Also click on LinkedIn and click on offload app, and after that will delete the data of the app from your phone, and after that you have to install the app again. Or also you can go directly and delete the app. Click on LinkedIn, click remove app and delete the app and install it again. You should also go and check if there is an update for the LinkedIn app, because sometimes if the app is outdated on your phone, some options in the app will not work properly. So if instead of open you see update, you have to click on update and open the app again. And if you are using an Android, you should or you can go and clear the cache of the app from settings, and that's it. One of those options will work for you and you can send messages again on LinkedIn. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and